Bhumi, you tell me the parts of tree.
Root, trunk, flower, branches, fruit and stem.
Shabbas, very good. Now you tell me the spelling of root.
R-O-O-T.
Correct. Next, trunk.
T-R-U-N-K.
Correct. Next, branch.
B-R-A-N-C-H.
Fruit.
F-R-U-I-T.
Correct. Flower.
F-L-O-W-E-R.
Correct. Your last spelling, stem.
S-A-T-E-M.
Very good. Congratulations. All correct.